Namaskar friends, welcome back to Mohanjanix. I hope all of you are safe and healthy and your study is also going well. As of now, we are discussing basic signal in signal and system. In this lecture, we will cover signum function. So without any delay, पढ़ाई शुरू करते हैं. Before starting this lecture, I want all of you to solve this question and answer it in the comment section below. Pause this lecture and write your answer in comment section. Let's see who get it right. This is the very basic question. So let's start. Signum function. Signum function can be represented by SGNT. So SGNT or signum function is its value is +1 for t greater than 0, while its value is -1 for t less than 0, and its value is 0 for t is equal to 0. So it can be drawn like this. This is the signum function. Its value is 1 for t greater than 0. This is the t is equal to 0. And its value is -1 for t less than 0. And what is value of t at 0? Value of signum t at t is equal to 0 is 0. This can also be explained through Gibbs phenomenon. And I have explained Gibbs phenomenon in unit step signal. You can see that video. Now I will ask you that whether this function is power function, energy function, or neither energy nor power function. As you can see that this function is infinity duration signal. You can see that this is going to infinity in the positive as well as in the negative t side. So if the function is infinity duration signal and its value is constant, then it will be power signal or power function. Okay. So what will be the power of this signal? And RMS of this signal and average of this signal. As I have already told you in my previous lecture, I will again tell you that this power of this function or this signal signum t is 1. And what will be the RMS value? Root over of power, that is root 1. Root 1 is equal to 1. And average of this signal becomes 0 as it is -1 for t less than 0 and +1 for t greater than 0. It will become 0. So its value is 0. Okay. Its average value is 0. Now we will relate this signum function and our unit step function. Okay. Now what you do? You just add 1 with this signum t. What it will come? You see. We just have to add 1 in this signal. Let's draw it. If I add 1 for t less than 0, that is for this side of the signal, it will become -1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So it will come as 0 for t less than 0. For t less than 0, it will become 0. And for t greater than 0, 1 plus 1 will become 2. Okay. So its value is 2 for t greater than 0. And this will be the point of discontinuity. And we can say that at the point of discontinuity, that is t is equal to 0, its value is 1. As here its value is 0, so 0 plus 1 will become 1. Okay. So you can see this function or this signal and you can relate it to the unit step signal. What is the unit step signal? Unit step signal is value is 1 for t greater than 0 while its value is 2. So we can say that it is 2ut. Okay. So 1 plus signum t is equal to 2ut. That's why ut will become 1 plus signum t by 2. This is the very important formula. You remember it always. Okay. This will help you in your many exams, whichever exams you will give. It can come in any question or it can be useful for solving any type of question. So remember it always. Now let's move back to our question. Ut is equal to, what will be the right answer? C, 1 plus signum t by 2. So this is the end of this lecture. I hope all of you have understood it clearly. If yes, then don't forget to like this video, share among your friends, and if you have any doubt, any suggestions or any feedback, please write in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever every video will get uploaded. धन्यवाद दोस्तों, जय हिंद।